So in the example that we have in our chart here, we have a nice candlestick chart with a big breakout at the end. But what's important is we have an established area of support indicated by the blue line. So let's imagine that this is not our first time visiting this blue line. We bounced up, we come back down, hit the level, hit it 1, 2, 3 more times, and we say to ourselves, look, we've established this area of support. We know that we've got a large order, or at least a lot of buying interest right at that level. And because it has acted as support so many times, I'm going to project that it's going to continue to act as an important support level in the future. So what you can do is employ a basic trading strategy called bottom fishing, or sometimes just called a bottom fish against a support level. So bottom fishing requires that you place bids or buy a stock or commodity right around an area of support, acting in good faith and hoping that that area of support is going to hold because it's done so many times before. It's an established level. Now, this strategy requires an exit strategy as well. So you're either going to wait until you hit a resistance or see if you break out of resistance. And in the case of this example, we can see that we ground our support many times before eventually just breaking a resistance, resulting in a very nice profit for whoever managed to get into this wonderful trade. So why does it work? First of all, the order book's on your side. You can look at this chart and say, I've got a large group of people. For example, $9.33. We know there's this monster crowd there. They want to buy. The price is not going to move lower because they will not allow it. They will buy up everything that they get. So if I can get ahead of them and buy, say, at $9.34 and wait for that demand to result in price increases, I will stand to profit from that. It's also great because it has limited risk. If we're using the $9.33 example, you can buy $9.33 and immediately sell if you hit $9.32 because you know that that wall has moved, the support is no longer there, and you can exit for a loss of 1 cent per share. These trades are absolutely fantastic for that and being able to really limit your risk while really opening up for a lot of potential upside. Also, it works because you're betting on exhausted sellers. If you have so much selling demand, if you're repetitively hitting that bid wall and the price does not move below $9.33, eventually you're going to run out of people who are selling, assuming that support stays there. And with a lack of supply, demand will increase and push the price up. So, basic trading strategy, watch for that established support level, set your stop losses right on the other side of that support, and wait for that demand to move that price up.